Hello 6th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson Introduction to Algebra and we were in worksheet 6. In this we were discussing about the subtraction and we have completed the subtraction by column method. Now we are discussing about the subtraction by horizontal method. Horizontal method already you know, the subtraction of monomials. Same method. Now coming to the first question, 2x minus 3y plus 4z from 4x minus 6y minus z. So second expression write first, then put it within the bracket, minus, that is subtraction sign. Now within the bracket the first expression. So always remember the brackets are very important. If you don't put the bracket, then your sum will be wrong. So for the first expression and for the second expression, put different brackets and in between the subtraction sign. Okay. Now coming to next step is open the bracket. So while you open the bracket, it will be first expression as it is, you will be writing 6x minus 4x minus 6y minus z. Now in the second one, what is the rule? All the signs will be opposite, isn't it? So plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 3y becomes plus 3y, and plus 4z becomes minus 4z. Now group the like terms. X 4x minus 2x, in between plus sign, y that is minus 6y plus 3y plus minus z minus 4z. All the like terms group together. Now 4 minus 2 is 2x minus 6 plus 3. It will be minus 3y minus 1 minus 4 minus 5z. Clear? Now coming to the next sum, 2x minus 4y from minus 4x plus 3y. Minus 4x plus 3y, write first, in between minus sign, that is subtraction sign. Then the second, the first expression you will be writing, but both you have to put it within the bracket. Now open the bracket, so it will be minus 4x plus 3y. First it will be as it is, but in the second the signs will be reversed. So plus 2x becomes, minus 2x, minus 4y becomes plus 4y. Now rearrange minus 4x, minus 2x plus 3y plus 4y. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6x plus 3 plus 4 plus 7y. Correct? Now coming to the question number C. So this you will be writing first, in between subtraction sign and the first expression, both within the bracket. Now open the bracket. First one as it is, 6p squared minus q squared plus 2r minus 9. Now in the second, all the signs will be opposite. So this one becomes minus 5q squared, minus p squared becomes plus p squared, minus 7r becomes plus 7r. Now group 6p squared plus p squared plus minus q squared minus 5q squared plus 2r plus 7r plus, now it is minus 9. Now answer will be 6 plus 1, 7 p squared minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 q squared plus 2 plus 7 plus 9 r minus 9. So first write the sign, then the number, then the alphabet. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to question number D. X plus y minus, bracket open, minus x minus y. Now first one write as it is. Second expression, the signs will be changed. Minus x becomes plus x, minus y becomes plus y. Now rearrange x plus x plus y plus y. Answer is 2x plus 2y. Correct? Now coming to question number E. This 10 minus 4pqr plus 3p minus, within the bracket, 7pqr minus 8p plus 3. Okay. Open the bracket. First one as it is. In the next, change the signs. This plus becomes minus 7pqr, minus 8p becomes plus 8p, plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now rearrange minus 4pqr, minus 7pqr, now 3p plus 8p. Last you take the numbers 10 minus 3. Okay, now solve. Minus 4 minus 7 minus 11 pqr, 3 plus 8 plus 11 p, 10 minus 3 plus 7. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number F. So 5x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus, within the bracket, 5x cube plus 3x squared minus x minus 3. Okay, now open the bracket. First one, everything as it is. Right. Now second expression, change the signs. Plus becomes minus 5x cube. This plus becomes minus 3x squared. Minus becomes plus x. Minus becomes plus 3. Now rearrange. Bracket open. 5x cube. Now this became minus 5x cube. Now minus 3x squared, minus 3x squared. Now plus 2x plus x minus 3 plus 3. Okay, numbers together. Now 5 minus 5 is how much? 0. So it will be 0 x squared. Here I will write 0 x cube. Now this became minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 3 minus 6x squared plus 2x plus x means plus 3x. Now minus 3 plus 3 is 0. That means final answer will be this cancelled, isn't it? Final answer is minus 6x squared plus 3x. Understood everyone? Hope everyone is understanding. Okay. Now coming to the next question number 4. Subtract 3x plus 2x minus 5x from minus 5xy from 0. Means 0 you have to write first, then minus sign, that is subtraction sign, and the first expression, that is 3x plus 2y minus 5xy, put it within the bracket. Now open the bracket. It is 0 minus 3x. Signs will be changed, isn't it? Plus becomes minus 2y, minus becomes plus 5xy. Now 0 we are not supposed to write, so the answer will be minus 3x minus 2y plus 5xy. Just you have to remove that 0, but the second expression, all the terms will have the opposite signs. Okay, now coming to the fifth sum. From the sum of x squared plus x plus 1 and x squared minus x plus 1. From the sum means put it within the bracket. Sum means addition. Subtract this one, minus x squared minus x plus 1. Hope you are understanding. From the sum of means both these you have to add, and from this you have to subtract minus x squared minus x plus 1. तो ये दोनों को पहले ऐड करो और जो आंसर आया उसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. इसके लिए हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड में ही हम किए. सो दोनों को ब्रैकेट में डालकर एडिशन किए, फिर सेकेंड वन को सब्ट्रैक्ट. इसके लिए तीनों एक्सप्रेशन को अलग अलग ब्रैकेट में डालने का है. चलो, नाउ ओपन दिस, इन बिटवीन इट इज प्लस, सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन रीअरेंज. सो ये बनेगा x squared plus x squared plus x minus x, है ना, प्लस 1 plus 1. अब ये जैसा है वैसे ही लिखो, पहले उसको ऐड करने का है ना. अभी x squared plus x squared कितना आया, 2x squared. x माइनस एक्स 0, तो उसको नहीं लिखेंगे. फिर लिखो 1 plus 1 is 2. अभी ये इसको क्या करने का, साइन को चेंज करने का है. सो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर्ड बनता है प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर्ड, और माइनस एक्स बनेगा प्लस एक्स, और प्लस 1 बनेगा माइनस 1. अभी फिर से रीअरेंज करो, 2x स्क्वायर्ड प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर्ड. अभी x का कुछ नहीं है, उसको लिखो, और 2 minus 1. अभी 2 plus 1 is 3x squared plus x. Now this is plus 2 minus 1 is 1. Hope you understood this. So first add these two and then subtract. तो इसको एडिशन करने के वक्त कैसे एडिशन का मेथड, लाइक टर्म्स को एक साथ ऐड करो, फिर सेकेंड का साइन को चेंज करो, फिर सॉल्व. नाउ सिक्स्थ सम इज लिटिल बिट टफ. So subtract the sum of 2a plus 3b, a minus 2b plus c, minus a plus 2c, and 4a plus 2b minus 5 from 6a minus 4b plus 8. So from this you have to subtract the sum of this. So in the horizontal method, how will you do? So from, subtract from बोले हैं तो ये पहले आएगा, तो ये इसको पहले ब्रैकेट में लिखो, माइनस साइन डालो, दैट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, फिर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ओपन और ये सब को स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर अलग अलग ब्रैकेट में लिखो। तो कैसे आएगा? 6a माइनस 4b प्लस 8 माइनस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट ओपन, नाउ राउंड ब्रैकेट ओपन, 2a प्लस 3b प्लस a माइनस 2b प्लस c, a माइनस a प्लस 2c, 4a plus 2b minus 5. Okay, now this one write as it is, minus, now rearrange all this square bracket, a वाला सब एक साथ ले लो, 2a plus a minus a plus 4b plus अभी b 3b minus 2b इधर नहीं है plus 2b. ओके, नाउ c इधर c प्लस 2c, अभी -5 एक ही है, -5. Okay, first one write as it is. Now solve this. प्लस a माइनस a gets cancelled, है ना, 0 आएगा. 2 plus 4 is 6a. Now minus 2b plus 2b gets cancelled, it will be plus 3b. Now c plus 2c is 3c, it is minus 5. Now it is ordinary subtraction. So first one write as it is without the bracket. Now open the bracket, all the signs will be changed. So plus 6a becomes minus 6a, plus 3b becomes minus 3b, plus 3c becomes minus 3c, minus 5 becomes plus 5. Now again rearrange 6a minus 6a plus minus 4b minus 3b plus c, only one is there, minus 3c plus 8 plus 5. Now 6 minus 6a gets cancelled, no need of writing. This one minus, okay, 0 if you want, 0, minus 4b minus 3b minus 7b, this is minus 3c, and this is 8 plus 5 is 10, 15 plus 13, sorry, 13. So final answer is minus 7b minus 3c plus 13. Okay, this is the horizontal method. If we see the column method, then from the sum of, means this you have to add first. So 2a plus 3b, a minus 2b plus c. Now minus a, here b is not there, so put 0, then 2c then 4a plus 2b. Now c is not there. Put 0 minus 5. This you have to add. So a minus a gets cancelled. 2 plus 4 is 6a. Minus 2b plus 2b gets cancelled. It is plus 3b. 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 5. Okay. So you have to subtract this from this. So you will be writing 6a minus 4b plus 8. So it is 6a plus 3b. Now c is not there. So here you have to put a 0. Otherwise keep it like that. Minus 5, 3c, write it at the end. Okay. Now next step is what? Subtraction. So change the signs. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Plus becomes minus. Now it is, this gets cancelled. 6 minus 6, 0. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7b. Plus 8 plus 5 plus 13. This is minus 3c. But while final answer, while writing, the alphabet while the variable should come first. So answer is minus 7b minus 3c plus 13. Same answer. We'll be getting the same answer. But arrangement you should see. So if it is B is not there, so put 0. C is not there, put 0. And here also. So whenever that particular term is not there, then you have to put 0. Is it clear? So it is the same. See here whatever we got, it is the same here. Either way you can do. I have done both the horizontal and the column method. But I have told you earlier also, in the higher classes you will be using the horizontal method only. Hope everyone understood. Worksheet 6 we have completed full, isn't it? Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.